Hi viewers, today we are discussing about isometric planes, isometric drawings. In isometric drawings, first of all we have to take directly isoplanes by using functions fi. If not, here we have the options of snap, just click on it. These are what? There is a snap settings. Here grid snap, there is a isometric snap. So just click on isometric snap. Just click on OK. Our cursor will be changes like this. Initially, how our cursor be like? Initially, it is in rectangular snap. Just click on OK. It is our perfect vertical and horizontal. And here our grids are also perfect vertical and horizontal. When you are changing to isometric, here we have to change this and click on OK. Here you have to observe the grid and the cursor will be changes like this. So what is isometric? Here we have to draw in 2D drawings. It will be looking as 3D. We have to observe the 2D drawing in 3D by using isometric views. Okay, first of all, in F5, you just observe this cursor when I am pressing F5. It is our isoplane top. Here we have the option isoplane top. So our cursor will be like this. Again I am pressing F5. It will be isoplane right. Here isoplane right. The red line is shifting rightwards to the green line. Green line is perfect vertical, but the changes are occurred only in red line in cursor. In this cursor, if the red is shifted to rightwards, it will be in isoplane right. It will be in left side of this green mark. It will be in isoplane left. It will be in isoplane top. Okay. So first of all, where we select this isoplane left, isoplane top, isoplane right, it will be explained. First of all, in isometric planes, just off the grid mode directly, or F7 is for grid on and off. F7 is grid on and off. So first of all we have to go to the home screen. Here, before taking isometric planes, you just on the F5 and here F10. F10 is for polar tracking. Here you have to select the 60, 30, 60, 90 and 120 degrees. Okay. Here first of all I want to take a line along this direction. It will be 150. For isoplane left, it will be in 150. Just click on it and escape. Again I want to take a straight line. It will be 90 degrees. Again I want to take a line. It will be in rightwards. In isoplane right, I want to take a 30 degrees. Just click on it. Here it is isoplane right. Our cursor will be in right side. This is isoplane top. This is isoplane left. First of all, I want to note this. By using single line text, give a start point and give here. This is left. This is right. For middle line, it will be in right side of us, it will be in left side of us. So our cursor will be taking, this is for iso right. And again you have to click on F5, it will be in iso left. Our cursor will be in left side. And next, I want to take one box, cube. By using line, just take it. here the cursor in ISO left. So here I want to take the dimensions as 10. Just click on escape. So again I want to take a line and it will be in ISO right. Just click on F5. This is in ISO right. So here it is also done, but you have to observe the angle. Here this is in 30 degrees. So in this direction I want to take a 10. Next I want to change the direction here. In 90 it will be 10. Just click on escape. We want to take this and we want to shift this from here to a corner. Okay. This is perfect. Again I want to take a 90 degrees from here also. Yes, here also 10. Just click on enter. It is in 90 degrees. How much it will be also 10. And from here we want to change the ISO top like this. This is also 10. And again if you change the view, yes. Here also it is 150 degrees. In 150 degrees it will be 10, and again it will be closing here. If you directly close, or if not, you have to mention the dimension like this. In this cube we have to mention the which is ISO left and ISO right and ISO top. Give 30 degrees. So here it is our left. Again taking this single line text. I want to click on here and how much it will be to and take 30 degrees angle. Here it is left. You can add the payload here, and it is right. It is top. Okay, this is ISO left, ISO right, ISO top. In this we have to take the cursors different. This cursor is for ISO top, for Isoplane, and here we have to use the ISO left. This is our ISO left. From this middle point, any isometric view you have to draw on left side. You have to use this cursor only, and you have to draw of this middle line of right side. Middle line of right side. It will be taken as F5 and it will be right cursor, Isoplane right. And if you want to draw top, it will be taken as ISO top for this cursor, like this. So in this Isoplane isometric drawings, we are discussing about isoplane left, iso top and iso right. Here first of all, before taking any isometric views, we have to change here the angle 30, 60, 90, and we have to off the grid mode and here we have the snap settings. Here we have to take the isometric snaps. If not, just I want to take the, if I off this, the cursor will be like this. This is our isometric drafting. If you want to go to snap settings, here we have to change the isometric snap. It is long process. If you don't have the option like this, you have to select this, you have to done by this. If not, we have to take direct isometric drafting here, like here. At the same time, we have to on these snaps. Why? Because in isometric we have to give the projections. In projections we have to take the snap settings, tangent, perpendicular, intersection, centers, all this. Here we have the customization. If you don't have any option here, you just click on it here. Here, this is our ortho mode. When I off this, here our ortho mode will be disappear. When I on this is our ortho mode. And this is our isometric drafting. When I off this, here isometric drafting will be disappear. In this condition, you have to go to this, here view the snap settings and view the isometric snap and click on OK. Like this, our cursor will be changing. Here our isometric drafting option will be disappear. If you want, go to customization. Here we have the option of isometric drafting. Here the option will be appears visible like this. And 2D object snap, and again it is our dynamic input. When I off this, here our symbol is, this is for dynamic input. When I off this, it will disappear. When I on this, it will appears like this. And polar tracking also visible here. Here our angles are not visible. When I on this polar tracking, here this is our polar tracking symbol. Here we have to view the degrees, angles here. All the settings are in customization. Grid mode on and off, model space, polar tracking. Okay, if you want any option here visible, you go to customization and customize it. So directly you have to take here isometric drafting symbol. When I off, it will be like this. When I on this, the cursor will be changes like this. If not, you have to change the directly by F5. You have to change the cursor like this. Here we have the options of ISO left, ISO top, ISO right for isometric drawings. Okay, this is all about isometric basics for students who want to learn these isometric drawings. Okay, thank you.